All right, Bob, I have to be honest with you. I don't know how to light a charcoal grill.
Don't worry about it. It's super easy. I have a really neat trick that anybody can do, and
Yeah.
it takes 3 things.
Okay.
We're gonna use a paper towel,
Mm-hmm.
crumble it up, some olive oil, take that,
Mm-hmm.
and then we're gonna light it with the lighter. So I'll show you how to do it. Go ahead,
Okay.
pour a little olive oil on there.
Tell me when.
Okay, keep going. A little bit more. All right, good, good. All right, now,
A little much.
that's gonna act like a wick. So
Okay.
we're gonna put this in the center of the charcoal,
Mm-hmm.
and then you're gonna light it, and then we're gonna build a little teepee around the top of it. So
Yeah.
that's gonna get our coals lit, and then once the coals are lit, the control will take over from there.
Okay, easy enough.
All right, Katie, take the lighter.
Thank you.
Now, we put the oil-soaked paper towel in the center of the charcoal.
Mm-hmm.
I made a little teepee around it. See how I kind of built up the charcoal?
Yep.
You're gonna go in through the opening, light the oil-soaked paper towel,
Mm-hmm.
and then that's gonna act like a wick,
Okay.
and it's gonna light those coals, and we're gonna wait a few minutes. Once the coals are lit, then the BBQ Guru Ultra Q is gonna take over
Okay,
and bring up the temperature.
great.
All right, let's go.